In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. This will be very easy and this works on Android and iOS as well. So after watching this video, you will know how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Let's get started right now. So first of all, you want to open TikTok on your phone and you want to sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up and then you should go to your profile, and I'm doing that right now. So this is my profile. If you want to add another account or even multiple accounts, you want to click on the three little dots at the top right corner, and then that will take you to privacy and settings, where you can scroll all the way down and click on add account right there. So click on add account and then you can sign up for another account, or you can log into your account if you already have multiple accounts. Now I don't, so I'm going to click on sign up, and I can then do that with an email, or I can simply come up with a new account already by using the account that I'm signed into right now. So you want to click on email and then you can put in your email address. I'm going to do that right now. Just going to come up with something random. There you go, at gmail.com. Click on next and then make sure to put in your actual email though, so that you can verify that. Then do this verification, come up with a password. So I'm just going to do this at random since I don't need a new account. So like I just said, make sure you actually come up with an actual password so that you can remember it and all of that. But this is pretty much how you can add multiple accounts on TikTok, because as you can see right there, I can now switch between these accounts and I can also add more accounts. If you enjoyed this video, if this helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Comment down below if this works. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions, comment them as well, and then I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.